Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to wipe the cache partition on this device. First we need to turn off our device. To do it, simply press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option and tap on it again to turn off the device. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. We need to press and hold them both. So let's grab the device like this, press and hold the power and volume up, keep holding them. And when the recovery mode appears on the screen, you can release both buttons. Okay, now we can use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through this menu and power button to confirm the selections. Let's scroll down, select the option called Wipe Cache Partition, and then tap on the power button, or rather press the power button to confirm. Here, select yes, and then press the power button. Wait until the wiping process is complete, and once it's done, you can select the Reboot System Now option, and once it's selected, press the power button to continue. And that's how you wipe the cache partition on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.